Good morning, children. In this class, we will read about Lesson 3, the Northern Plains. In our prior chapter, we have learnt about the first physical division of India, the Northern Mountains. Now let us start with the second division, the Northern Plains. I have divided this chapter into two parts. In this first part, we are going to read about the location, extent and features of the Northern Plains and the Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra basins. Here in this map, the shaded portion showing the northern plains. Now the extent. They extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east, covering a distance of about 2,400 kilometers. The width varies from 240 kilometers to 320 kilometers. The plain areas are formed by the fine silt brought down by the river originating in the Himalayas. As we know, the lot of river originate from the northern mountains, and as they flow down in the plain areas, they bring sand and silt with them. And this sand and silt get deposited at the bank of the river. These plains are formed. The fine silt deposited in the valley is called alluvium. Alluvium soil is the most fertile soil and is good for crops. Now moving further, let us understand few terms. First, basin. The area that is watered by the river and its tributary is called its basin. Tributary. Tributary means a river that flows into large rivers. Distributary. A branch of river that does not return to the main river after leaving it. The northern plains consist of three river basins: Satluj River Basin, Brahmaputra River Basin and the Ganga River Basin. So here in the map, first one is Satluj River Basin, second is Ganga River Basin and third is your Brahmaputra River Basin. Satluj River Basin. It is formed by river Satluj and its tributary river Beas. Two states, Punjab and Haryana, are located in this basin. The region faces extreme climate, very hot in summer and very cold in winters. As this area does not receive much rainfall, so to help the farmer in irrigation, government has built many dams. One of such dam is Bhakra Nangal Dam, which is built on river Satluj. Ganga River Basin. It has been formed by the river Ganga and its tributaries. Major part of the Ganga River Basin lies in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. The Ganga originates as Bhagirathi from Gangotri River. In Devprayag, it is joined by Alaknanda River and both these rivers further flow as Ganga. River Yamuna joins Ganga at Allahabad. The place where these rivers meet is called Sangam. Other tributaries of Ganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi join it from north. Chambal, Betwa and Son join it from south. The lower part of the Ganga River Basin lies in West Bengal. Here, the river flows very slowly and splits into a number of branches called distributaries. One such branch is Hooghly River, on the bank of which Kolkata is located. Another branch of Ganga enters Bangladesh and is called Padma. Now, Brahmaputra River Basin. The eastern part of the northern plains has been formed by the Brahmaputra River. This part is called Brahmaputra River Basin. It originates in Tibet near Mansarovar Lake. Brahmaputra River enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. It flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, It joins Padma, Ganga in India, and forms the largest delta of the world called Sundarban Delta. Thank you.